Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you best text-to-speech softwares. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Murf AI Voice Generator. Murf AI Voice Generator provides a text-based AI voice studio that convert home recordings or scripts directly into voiceovers. The studio has over 110 AI voices and supports over 15 languages. Murf Studio also allows end-to-end integration of voiceover to visuals. To start with, the studio provides a 10 minutes of voiceover render so that you can test the studio, try the voices, and also check out the various styling features within the studio. Features of Murf AI Voice Generator. AI Grammar Assistant. Voice Recording Converter. Collaborations. Allows to build voiceovers in 19 languages in Murf Studio. Provides styling features like pause, emphasis, speed and pitch. Pricing. These are the monthly prices. And these are the prices of annual pricing. Number 2, Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly is on the first position at our list, and the reason is its quality and the pricing plans are offering to end users. We have found during our text that the voice quality produced by Amazon Polly is insanely natural and real. Besides Alexa, Amazon also has developed Amazon Polly to convert text into audio format. The main goal behind the creation of Amazon Polly is to let developers allow to create a speech-enabled application. Amazon Polly uses deep learning to transform the text into a human life-like speech, which is incredible and you hardly find in other products out there in the market. Features of Amazon Polly. Uses natural text-to-speech. Supports more than 25+ languages. Simple API for developers. Loudness, pitch, and voice rate are adjusted. Number 3, Natural Reader Online. Natural Reader Online is a whole package of TTS software. Whether you need it online or offline or for your mobile, Natural Reader takes care of everything. They have a total of 5 TTS-based separate products. The only downside of Natural Reader Online is that you can't use the voices generated by this personal online app for any commercial purpose. For this need to buy their separate commercial web-based app, which is kind of expensive. Natural Reader features. Multiple document files are supported. OCR enabled. Accessibility. Supports dyslexia font. Highlighting and speed control. Number 4, NoteVibes. NoteVibes is one of the best text-to-speech software. Its advanced easy-to-use front-end voice editor, multiple voice speakers support. It has everything the user can expect from online TTS software. Features of NoteVibes. Supports up to 157 voices. It has 17 languages. Provides advanced editor functions. Pricing. NoteVibes is available in monthly and annual plans. These are the prices of monthly plans. And these are the prices of annual plans. Number 5, Wideo. Wideo Text-to-Speech is the separate add-on provided by the Wideo video editing company. This text-to-speech is the simplest of all, and the main benefit of using this tool is that users never need to pay anything even for audio. Features of Wideo. 25 languages support. Allows to download the speech in MP3 format. You can control the speed of speech. Preview will be provided before downloading. Pricing. Wideo can be purchased in monthly and annual plans. Here are the prices of monthly plans. And these are the prices of annual plans. Number 6, Balabolka. Balabolka is a freeware and one of the oldest text-to-speech software available for the Windows platform. Despite it is free, it provides a lot of amazing features that no other text-to-speech-based software is offering. Some of the features are audio and pitch control, reading audio files directly in the editor, can speak Excel file, etc. Balabolka is free for personal use, however, the user can install external voices in the PC. Features of Balabolka. It uses the voices of Microsoft API. Provides amazing controls to make the audio more natural. Supports wide range of documents. Convert audio into various formats. Can create LRT and SRT files. Number 7. Natural Reader Offline. Natural Reader Offline is a part of the Natural Reader text-to-speech company. As we discussed the Natural Reader already, there is no much difference between the online and offline version, except the pricing. Features of Natural Reader Offline. Miniboard to read text from any browser. 5000 OCR image support. Pronunciation editor. MP3 conversion. Pricing. Natural Reader is available in free and paid versions. The prices of paid versions are as displaying on screen. Number 8. Zabaware. Zabaware is a low-budget offline text-to-speech software available for Windows. It is best for YouTubers who only want 1 to 2 natural voices in the English languages. Not only Zabaware read out the document for you, but also able to read text from any software. The free version comes with some computerized voices and it supports default Microsoft voices that are already installed in your system. However, the user has the option to upgrade their software, which comes with a pack of natural voices. Features of Zabaware. Drag and drop functionality for text. Volume and speed control is available to play around. Can read content that is copied on the clipboard. Can read text from any ebook and document files regardless of its type. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.